Hello everyone and welcome to the Extras channel, and in this episode we're going to have a look at the new Corgi Coca Cola double-deck balloon tram. So Corgi's partnered up with Coca Cola again and brought us some more Coca Cola themed merchandise, this time using the well-known and recognisable die-cast Blackpool balloon tram. That's the double-decker version. Now the double-deck balloon trams have travelled up and down Blackpool seafront for so many years, and they really are a particular favourite of mine, and they bring back so many memories of seeing the illuminations in the seafront and just trips to the seaside as a child. So let's take a look at this Coca-Cola collector's piece from Corgi. So let's take a look at the box. Now in resplendent Coca-Cola red with the well-known trademark in the corner, we get to see an image of the model with a playful seaside background of funfair rides. On the back there are a few paragraphs detailing the history of Coca-Cola and its history with memorabilia and merchandise. So let's get this box opened. So the model appears to be held very securely within the box by transparent two-piece vacuum moulded plastic packaging. In fact, it's very secure. Now just look at that very shiny glossy finish to the model. I've got to say that the Coca-Cola branding just really suits this model. Now it has great weight to the model, being die-cast of course. Now the first thing that really jumps out to me is how fine and delicate the tram's pantograph is. Just look at this, I mean it is really nice. I know that a lot of the earlier die-cast models of the Blackpool trams had quite thick bulky plastic pantographs, and these are just really fine and delicate. Taking a look at this side, you really get to see how well the red finish is on this model and how the white of the Coca-Cola branding just pops out, as well as being able to pick out all of the die-cast details such as handrails, doors, panel lines and bogies and much more. Now the printed detail is wonderful and sharp, and in the case of this tram features the phrase open happiness. Now I can tell you that my son absolutely loves Coca-Cola, and when he opens a bottle of Coca-Cola you can see the look in his face, and that is happiness. To the front and rear we can see more die-cast moulded detail emphasising all of those beautiful curves that the balloon trams have, as well as including head and tail lamps with painted detail. Now where the destination would normally be found, we have the Coca-Cola trademark in place. So inside, both downstairs and upstairs, there are moulded seats throughout where, if you choose, you could potentially place passengers of a 187 or 176 scale. I'm sure they would fit from the model railways. Now bear in mind, for those of you who would want to do that, you're going to have to try and get into the model, and just having a look at the bottom, it looks like it could be reasonably difficult, but not impossible. Now for those of you who are curious, yes, the model does feature metal freewheeling wheel sets that sit very comfortably on WWII and HO track. Now I have to say, I have seen many Corgi trams converted into motorised units over the years at many of the exhibitions that I have attended. So if this sounds like something you'd like to have a go at, why not? So in summary, I really like this model. I wouldn't have bought it otherwise, and it goes great with my other Coca-Cola branded items such as the Hornby Christmas and summertime train sets, which leaves them open for use underneath the Christmas tree with a Christmas train set, and potentially on a summer theme as well. Better still, these trams are 176 scale, so they don't look out of place alongside those items as well, and they would look ideal on a model railway. So for the moment, I believe I will buy some more trams, display them, and you never know, I may feel the urge at some point to build a small layout, possibly motorise them, or just make a diorama where the trams will be at home. So let me know in the comments if you like the Blackpool balloon trams or trams in general, and let me know what your thoughts are on this Corgi model. As always, I've put loads of links in the description, so please check them out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye now.